Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to share your TikTok account on Snapchat. First of all, go to your TikTok application and then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now you can see edit profile. Tap on it and then you can see a link and copy icon beside it. Tap on it and your link will be copied. Now open the Snapchat application and then click a snap. You can now see a link icon on right side. Tap on it and paste the link, or tap on the link on clipboard. Then you can see a button on the bottom attached to snap. Tap on it and then the profile link of your TikTok account has been attached to snap. You can now share it as a snap or share it on your snap story. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar contents.